The ZT-0460 Ti, a Dmitry Sinkovich design. It measures 7.5 inches in overall length and weighs 2.9 ounces. It operates on KVT ball bearings with a flipper tab. The handle is titanium with a stonewashed finish and a black anodized aluminum backspacer. The 3.25-inch blade is made from ultra-premium CPM 20CV steel. The pocket clip is single-position, tip-up carry. The blade is locked securely by a titanium frame lock with hardened steel LOCKBAR insert. Slightly larger than its cousin, the 0450, the 0460 has a pronounced ergonomic curve to fit the hollow of your hand.